Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. What a day. Everything sold off. Everything came back. Well, not completely come back, but on the way back up again. Did you sell anything today? Did you buy anything today? Was it cheap enough for you? Well, it wasn't cheap enough for me, and it wasn't, I'm not also in the market of selling right now either. Okay, let's get straight into it. Let's have a little look where we are. So the portfolio is down double, remember, because my account is doubled because of margin. So if we're down 2%, we're down 4%. If we're up 2%, we're up 4%. You get the idea because of margin, right? Anyway, there's the overall portfolio. It's a red day. Roth IRA, same thing. Hardly any movement on the Roth. You can see the difference between a less tradable portfolio, just a holding portfolio, and no margin. You can see it's a much, much different set of volatility rules, if you like. But 70,500. Now we're down about $6,000. We were at 76 all-time high. We're a bit off that now, but not an issue, not a problem. Okay. So that's where we are. Let's go through all our positions, see who was here first. I'll just keep buying Virgin Galactic, said Raman. Well, let me share with you the Virgin Galactic position today. Went down, everyone got worried, down, all the way down to 207. And now we're heading back up, 217. That's quite a difference. We were down 10%. We're now down 5.6. 5% swing. That's a really big swing, right? Very, very good. So Raman's keeping his Virgin Galactic, as am I. Good afternoon, Lance Strength. Howdy. Caden Youngquist is watching over on Twitch this afternoon. Let me refresh Twitch. Pop in and say hello to Caden Youngquist, who's over there in Twitch. That's my Twitch account. There you go. How are you, Caden? Let's say hello to my Facebook audience. Let's refresh my X audience. Let's refresh my... hang on a minute. I didn't put this in. Unbelievable. Hang on a second. The people on Rumble are going, what's going on? We can't see anything. Well, there's a reason for that. I've missed out the stream key. Let me put that in. Just 1 minute. Back over to here. Back over there. Okay. Give it a couple of seconds. We will look at my LinkedIn audience. Let's say hello to them. Hello. Pop in and say hello. This is my LinkedIn audience where I make my connections with the companies. What else have we got? We've got Kick. We on Kick? Yeah, that's working. All right. Hi all. Hello, Kicksters. And Rumble. Rumble should be showing up now. Let's have a little look. My channels. Let's have a look. There you go. Give that a second. Hi all. And we'll see if that's coming through. Let's refresh the screen. There we go. 3, 2, 1. We got the advert playing, and there we are. There's our Rumble audience. How are you this afternoon? So, Caden, thanks for joining me. Now we can go back to the Facebook page. There we go. To refresh a couple of things. There you go. Hi all to all of you. And lastly, we got our X account as well. All the different ways of watching. There you go. Hi all to you. Alrighty then. A few questions on X. Let me see what I had. Jason Fallon and Fight Channel. Jason, industry leaders replying to Martyn Lucas and Belfast Harbour. What's all this about? Industry leaders are industry leaders. Not sure why that's funny. No idea why that's funny. Can't see why it's funny. Nope. Got a comment saying industry leaders with a laughing joke. Don't get it. Not sure what that's all about. Anyway, out down 300. 5th of January. Not quite sure what the comments are. Just trying to understand the jokes. Very often I don't. Here we go, says Mike. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Can't even spell yes now. Now yes becomes test. All right, there we go, Mike. Thank you. And I think that's it. We're up to date. Okay, good. All right. We're up and running. Caden Youngquist, I held all. Yes, so did I. I didn't sell anything at all. I didn't buy anything. It wasn't low enough. iShares were tracking Bitcoin today. It all sold off. I don't see much point in this, really. Everyone got all excited. Let's buy Bitcoin ETF. I couldn't care less about it, to be honest with you. It's just, look, it's just it's just exactly what Bitcoin is. I mean, Bitcoin goes up, it goes up. Bitcoin goes down, it goes down. I don't know what the point of that is. It cost, how many millions of dollars did that cost? Billions of dollars to produce all that and all the drama. And, I mean, just buy Bitcoin. I mean, I don't know. We said it would protect the volatility. Well, it's virtually the same chart, isn't it? Just buy Bitcoin. Don't know. We'll learn more as we go, I'm sure. Anyway, Lilium, it went down as low as 84. It's now back at 88. Did I buy? Now, if I had gone in at 88 and had bought a ton of it, I perhaps could now be at a wash and start to trim. I could have done that. I didn't, because you can't just keep going and going. It's very expensive on margin at the moment, and I'm all in on margin, so I haven't. Sidhu, I'm glad to see it's gone back down as we said it would after the run. It's all going back down. That's why you never chase it. Remember, I kept saying, do not buy it now. It's going up. Buy it at 3, fine. Buy it at 4, maybe. But that's it. That's it. Because look at the numbers. Doesn't make any sense. All right. What else have we got? XRP's going back up again. It's just following Bitcoin. There we go. Virgin Galactic's slowly making its way up. Held all, said Lance. Hi, Martin. There's everyone there from Crag. Raman, did you beat Warren Buffett today? Have you beaten the stock market today? Well, we can see, can't we? The overall, the stock market is down 0.12. So have I beaten the stock market today? No, absolutely not. Not even close. Have I beaten Warren Buffett today? Well, there's a good question. Let's look at Berkshire Hathaway, shall we? See Berkshire. It's down 1.3. I'm down 4. But again, I'm actually down 2 because of margin. But it doesn't matter. If you're going to count the margin on the way up, you've got to count it on the way down. So no, I haven't beaten the market today, and I haven't beaten Warren Buffett today. Absolutely not. Not even close. Sava review. Where is Sava? Where is Sava on the list? We've got Momentous is the next review. Then we've got Instacart. We've got is Tim Rogers in the house? Just done your review. Tim Rogers. Is Tim here? Not yet. Tojak Charles wants NEP, BA, and Run. So got a few more reviews to do. Sava is on the general list. Delph, it's about 5 or 6 down on the general list. So I know you want it done, but I can only do so many a day. I've just done another one today. Did one yesterday. Sold some for small gains. Added some others. Jeffrey Diamond. Wish me a safe flight. Leaving Paris. Now inbound to Gatwick. Safe flight. Safe flight to Sensei. Yeah, don't have any doors flowing off. Whatever you do. Don't sit next to the door. That's my that's my tip. Definitely. I ain't sitting next to the door. I bet nobody wants to sit next to. I bet no one sits next to a door now. They'll be giving the door seat away. Right, there you go. Safe flight, Sensei. Copy and paste. Sensei's flying back from Paris to be with us live on the show. Let's get a safe flight to Sensei. Should we blow it up? No one can copy and paste like me. There you go. even though I did get a couple of little V's in there. So the idea that the ETF will be bought by institutions would create further opportunity for the coin to be broadly accepted. And yeah, that's what it is. I understand that. I get that. But, you know, yeah, I mean, what is it? It gives it a fancy title. You know, Bitcoin's got an ETF now. Ooh. It's protected by the SEC, who can't even protect their own website. Ooh, I don't know. This changes everything for me now. Oh yeah, this changes it all. Yeah, I mean, you know, whatever. Let's go, says Raman. Good afternoon, all. Matthew Kelly, how are you? Sensei Crypto, smooth sailing, mate. Making money. Thanks, Mike. Safe flight back, Sensei. Thanks, Zach. What about thanking me? I copy and pasted 20 times. Nobody else did that. I didn't get a thank you. iBit is rubbish. Will sell once I get my money back. Rallo1. Rallo1. iBit is rubbish. Not interested. Not interested in iBit. Martyn Lucas Investor. That guy that was ranting on the Lilium video. That guy was ranting on the Lilium video. What Lilium video? What do you mean? Paris in love. Well, I don't think he's in love, mate. If he was in love with his fiance, he wouldn't keep phoning me up. That's all I'm saying. If I was his fiance, I'd be like double checking this relationship, going, hang on a minute, Sensei, you took me to Paris, romantic city. I spent half the bloody time you on the phone with Martyn Lucas on his show. Not quite sure what's going on here. Anyway, Paris in love. Yeah, we're green again, says Niels. Are we? I'm not bloody green again. Ah, nice. Was down 2.45 this morning. Now only down 1.45. There you go, Randy B. There you go. Have a safe flight, Sensei. In the air now. I'm in the air tonight. When are you visiting Amsterdam? Bloody hell, is he going anywhere else? Is he ever at work, this guy? I mean, seriously, is he ever at work? Thanks, Craig. Niels, next on the list, maybe. Next on the list? What's this? Try and do all the country that Martyn Lucas did over 14 years? Oh, you'll never catch up with me, mate. Good evening all. Enric, total overreaction from the markets today. The chances of rate cuts in March have only decreased by 0.5%. That's brilliant, Jordan. That's the best comment of the day. Total overreaction from the markets today. The chance of rate cuts in March have only decreased by 0.5%. Can't understand what's all the fuss was about. Hang on a minute. I can't understand what all the fuss about the spot Bitcoin ETF was all about. No, I know. People will say, this is what they'll say, Jordan. They'll say it makes Bitcoin more accessible. Every single person in the history of the world can pick up their phone and buy Bitcoin. We've always been able to do it since about 1612, since Henry VIII was around. Did Henry VIII have an iPhone? I'm not sure. Was there iPhones in 1612? I don't know. I can't remember. Anyway, probably not. I'm just saying. But people have been able to buy Bitcoin. The thing is, it's because of institutions. We've got to pamper to their needs. The institutions, with all the money and all the sophistication, they don't know how to turn on two-factor authenticator. They don't know how to secure their website. Unbelievable. These are the people that we need to appease, all right? They say we need an ETF. So we got one now. We spent billions of dollars and messing around for years, but now we've got one. We paid for it. People could have given me the money. I reckon they should have given me the money. I could have then made us, I could then made a story over it, really. I could have made a video out of it and told everybody all about it, but no, that never happened, did it? Anyway, that's how it goes sometimes. Love this guy so much. Delph, thanks, mate. I don't love your plug, mate. Because of you, I bought plug. Not very happy with plug right now. How much longer have I got to wait to make any money out of this? Flipping out, unbelievable, isn't it? Hydrogen, you can't even see it. We're investing in someone I can't even see. I tell you what, there's a good one there, actually. You think about it. Some people say, I don't believe in God because I can't see it, but I'll put all my money on hydrogen. It's true, isn't it? It's true, isn't it? There are people, we're all spending billions of dollars investing on something we can't see, right? It's interesting that. Some religious person's going to come back to me and say, see what I mean? That's what I mean. Nice one. Tell me when you will. There you go. Niels wants to know when Sensei's going to Amsterdam. Jordan, 100%. I agree. Let's hope the big banks can beat on earnings tomorrow. Oh, yes, the banks tomorrow. Reports that Vanguard is completely blocking customer access to publicly listed SEC Bitcoins ETFs, and customers can only sell. What's going on here? Reports that Vanguard is completely blocking customer access to publicly listed SEC approved Bitcoin ETFs, and customers can only sell. No, that can't be right. So that can't be right. Look, we can buy and sell on here. There's no issue in it. There's no issue here. There's no issue here. I mean, if that's the case, then the whole thing's down the toilet anyway. Hang on, we're gonna have a secure system here so we can all buy Bitcoin. But hang on a minute. You can't sell it when you want, though. What a load of rubbish. Bitcoin ETF rubbish. Buy the real thing. See, that's what I gotta be honest. If it's going to track it, look, identically, right? What is the point? What? Because someone's making money out of this. Someone's making money out of this ETF. ETFs come with cost expenses. Somebody on here is making money. Mr. iShares, he likes sharing, but he doesn't share anything, takes all the money for himself. Mr. iShares, right, has produced an ETF. You know why? Because he knew that more people would buy it if he did. So whoever Mr. iShares is, he's now making money out of this ETF, right? And like Craig says, right, rather than give a little bit of your money to somebody, because remember, just buy Bitcoin. I'm in favor of that. I'm in favor of that. Even though it's all above my head, I got to be honest. It seems to me to make sense, There you go. Anyway, why were people so into ETF approval anyway? Did they not know that it was simply going to track BTC? That's brilliant. I think they did know it. Mind you, we always assume that people know stuff. We always assume that these institutions, because it says institution, because it sounds clever, doesn't it? Institution. Hang on a minute. It could be an institution asylum. It could be a loony bin. You know what I mean? It doesn't mean institution. Don't think institution and then think Oxford and Cambridge. Think institution, loony bin. I'm just saying, it doesn't have to be institution, clever people. It could be institution, not so clever people. That's all I'm saying. We've already proved that. Gary Gensler has no idea whatsoever when it comes to crypto. He's proven it over and over again. The bloke is a flipping lunatic. He gets it wrong all the time. He talks nonsense all the time. They don't know how to run their website. They don't know how to run their X account. These are not smart people. Not even remotely smart. I don't know how they get elected. No idea at all. Flipping lunatics. And these are the people that are the institutions. Yeah, the institutional loony bin. That's what they are. Anyway, ETF is just a way of institutions to buy so the price goes up. That's it. That's all it is. And who makes the money? You don't make any money. You'll never make any money. Whoever Mr. iShares is, remember an ETF, exchange traded fund. ETF, exchange traded fund. It means there are management costs. None of it is showing right now because it's all brand new. Management costs to run this. Whoever Mr. iShares is, he doesn't care whether it goes up, down, or sideways because he's going to make money from the ETF. You're not. There you go. It's another way for the rich to get rich and the poor to get stuffed again. That's what it is. Anyway, Niels, ETF just a way for institutions so the price goes up. Martin, where is the fun? Where is fun on the list? Fun. Where is fun on the list? Let's have a look. Bloody hell. TUI, Indy. TMF, fun, really. Delph, Sava, Verity, Blood Eclipse, LAC Lithium, Crag, fun. Oh, there's Crag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 10 days out. About 10 days out. I might this weekend do some extra time because Monday we're not here. It's bank holiday. I actually might spend a day off, like Sunday or Saturday or Monday, and just sit here on my own. Won't be live and do like 10 back-to-back reviews just to get them done, just for you guys, because I love you so much, right? Safe flight, Sensei. Yeah, I said it. I didn't get a thank you. So the idea is that ETF being bought by institution would create further opportunity for the coin to be... Oh, hang on. I've read that already. No, I haven't. You just repeated it, haven't you? Yes, that's right. Broadly accepted. It's accepted anyway, but I get your point. Sensei, have a vodka tonic, makes all the seats feel like first class. Yeah, but don't book a seat next to the door. Tomorrow is our day. Tomorrow, but we beat Warren Buffett. Raman, me and you tomorrow. Tomorrow, let's go. Tomorrow, we beat Warren Buffett. We've had a bad day. That's okay. Not a problem. More deep on Virgin Galactic. I am a fully optimist before 26. Before 26? Oh, I see. The flight, you mean? Yes. Virgin Galactic has bounced back a little, but hopefully it doesn't drop another 5% tomorrow. Well, there you go. I don't think so. He was saying there's never been yes. He was saying that there was never been a human being flying. Yeah, you like that? I saw that, and I saw you going, good God. I saw the comments on YouTube. I tell you what, for the very first time, I have to apologize. I cannot reply to everyone anymore. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of comments on YouTube. However, I am replying, as I always will, to the members. It's one of the perks. I always will answer the members' questions, yeah, but I don't think I can reply anymore to all the comments. I woke up yesterday and I thought, I got about 1,000 comments. I would sit here all day answering comments. So I'm now setting a filter for members only. He was saying that there's never been a human flying with a battery. I heard about that. XRP and Shiba are the only positions up today. Yeah, right. Of course they are. Yeah, yeah. Have you ever seen a crypto chart like that? 100% of the crypto bubbles are up today. Shall we go pop in some bubbles? Anybody? Which one shall I go for? Here we go. Let's get the MNT and smash it down there. Look at that. Boom. Let's get ARB and smash it down there like that. What do you reckon of that then? Shake it all about. Smash that over there. CRO, smash that over there. Put a nice big hole right in the center. Boom. You like that? It's good, isn't it? See that little one there? Look, that little bubble there? Look, little tiny one. Let's get ENS. ENS, like a bloody great bowling ball. Smash it. Scat away. ENS is coming. ENS. Have you ever seen a day like that? It's pretty good, isn't it? There you go. That's me smashing bubbles. I can do that. It's my show, innit? XRP is green. Sensei, come to Montreal. You are welcome. There you are. Fat Haller. Sensei's welcome. Nobody else. You know why the Welsh always say, we'll keep a welcome in the hillside? We'll keep a welcome in the hillside. You know why the Welsh always say that? Why they always say, we'll keep a welcome in the hillside? It's because they don't want you in the bloody house. That's why. Welcome in the hillside, right? You're not coming in the house. You're not that friendly, right? You're not that welcome. You're not that welcome. MSK, yep. Can you compare between from your review time and today? I think it closes to 100%. Can you compare between from your review time and today? I think it's close to 100%. Can you compare between re from your review? I'm not sure I get the question. Zach said, could you rephrase that? Bitcoin is officially an asset now. There you go. It's officially an asset. I'm betting on the market, said George Oddity. Do you think plug's going back up? I certainly hope so. I believe so. I'm holding it. The ETF is pure-ish. Pure-ish. Digital rubbish. John Grandforce. Digital rubbish. There you go. Copy and paste rubbish. But no clever people will bring the price up as well. But no clever people will bring the price up. Give it a fancy title though. iBit. In buy in trouble. In buy in trouble. Rallo 1. In buy in trouble. Got next generation astronaut as a present from my wife. They picked 2 winners to see the launch yesterday. I was not one of them, but I've offered to next gen astronauts, for $750 each to either VGO say, oh, very nice, Mark Saxby. I'm working on schmoozing my way in, even though I don't do schmoozing. I'm working on schmoozing my way in for free tickets. You know me, mate. You know me. I'll get there for free. I've never paid to go anywhere. Believe me, Martin, they are smart. They just act stupid. The SEC are probably the most corrupt people. That's what it is. So they knew they were getting hacked. Well, yeah, we know all about the second factor authenticator stuff. We knew if we didn't turn it on, there'd be chaos. Oh, we knew it. Don't worry. We knew what we were doing. I don't know about that. I mean, you might be right. I'm sure you're right. Virgin Galactic, look at this, folks. Everybody got up. Oh, my. Let me tell you something, right, folks? You're going to love this, right? So, earlier on today, I'll tell you a little secret, right? Listen to your Uncle Martin, right, boys and girls? I'm going to tell you a little story now. Early on today, hang on a minute. Should I do this? Hang on. Should I? This was funny. Okay, let me do this. It's 30 minutes. I'll make a little video. SPCE clickbait. Okay, here we go. Clickbait at 30, right? Okay, here we go. Gonna make a little video now. You like this? All right. Let me bring this up. Now I'll use actually. What I'll do is I'll bring that up there. Go over here. Right. All right. Here we go. Stick this over here. And view thumbnail. Right. Okay. Going to debunk a mystery here. A mystery. You ready? You ready for me to debunk a mystery? Okay. Virgin Galactic investors, are you paying close attention? It is time to debunk a mystery. It's an unknown thing. It's a mystery, but I'm going to explain it because many of you have this query. Yes, it's a puzzle of life. What is? Got to be secret about this. No one can know about this. What is clickbait? What is good clickbait? And what is bad clickbait? And you should know this right now. It's very important to you because you're a Virgin Galactic investor, my biggest audience. And if you're going to continue on this mission with me, you need to know exactly what this is. So I'm going to point it out to you now. Because this afternoon, I reported to you that Virgin Galactic was being sold off. And it was. And now it's come back up again, just like I said it would. So my job as somebody creating video content is to tell the story truthfully and honestly, because that's just my way. That's what I do. But also, I've got to get you to see it. No difference than I am a film director and I've made a movie and I have a billboard. Or I am an author and I write a book and I have a front cover of a book, or I am a news reporter and I have a headline in a newspaper. Well, for me, I make videos, and the only way you get to find out what's going on is if you watch the video. Without it, you don't know anything. I can't speak to you. Nothing happens. We don't exist. It's all invisible. So the question is, what is clickbait? What is bad clickbait? And what is good clickbait? And does it even exist anyway? Because it's a mystery to me. Let me explain it to you. Right. This was the video I put out earlier today, just a couple of hours ago. Picture of me questioning, a picture of fire. Everyone loves fire, so I thought I'd put a bit of fire on it. And there is Virgin Galactic all over, question mark. What does that say to you? It says, is it all over? Because I've put all over, question mark. I learned that in school. It's amazing. Question mark means it's a question. All over. Is it all over? Think of it like the front cover of It. There's a big It and then there's a clown, right? Do you know what the story is all about? No. It's called It. It's intriguing. It's intriguing. And it's a picture of a clown. Does it mean it's a happy little clown running around in a little red car going on his hooter? You don't know. You have to watch it to find out. That's the point. Okay. Now, if I had put a picture on my thumbnail of some naked lady lying on a beach, looking very, very nice, lying on a beach, and you think, hello, it's a picture about a lady lying on a beach. And then here I am talking about Virgin Galactic. That would be bad clickbait, because those of you that like pretty pictures of girls would click on it expecting to see me lying on a beach naked as a woman. And here I am talking about Virgin Galactic. That would be bad clickbait. That would be, well, it's not against the law. It's not a bad thing, but it just wouldn't be the best way to treat my audience, right? I'm kind of manipulating you. However, is it clickbait? What does that even mean? It's a title and an image to intrigue you, to ask the question, to get you to look. But when you actually looked at the video, you found out that it was me saying, do you think it's all over? I don't. And I showed you my shares and my position and how I'm managing the markets today and so on and so forth. But did I get loads of hate for this? Oh, yes. Loads of hate today saying you're doing clickbait. It's terrible. Oh, this is rubbish. You say you're not a YouTuber and now you're doing this. Blah, 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 blah. Well, at the end of the day, it's my job to make videos that people want to watch. There's no point me doing a blank thumbnail and saying, something happened on Virgin Galactic today. You might be interested or not. I mean, that would be the truth, wouldn't it? Something happened on Virgin Galactic today, and you might want to look or not. I don't know. But no, I went for all over, question mark, because you will look at it and then view it. Now, if you don't like it and you don't want to subscribe to me and you don't want to see my videos, what do? Unsubscribe, click the down like. You'll never see me again. I will disappear into the world and you'll never hear from me again. Now, if that's your intention, you can do that without moaning, without having a go, without complaining. Just, I don't like this film. I don't like this filmmaker. He's rubbish and I don't watch it anymore. But that I thought was worth explaining. It's my job to create a question behind the story. It's always honest. It's always revealed within the film. However, it is to get you to look. Yes, it is. Because making videos that nobody wants to watch seems pretty much a waste of time. Because I'll be making videos that nobody wants to watch, saying and achieving nothing for anybody, including you. So this gives you the chance to see my amazing video, and then you can say, I like this, I want to watch more of it, thumbs it up like this, or you can say, no, absolutely rubbish. I don't want it anymore. I don't like it. And you can download the video like this. Boo! So it's up to you. You have the power to control it. All right? So there you go. Are you going to give it the up like, hey? Or are you going to give it the boo? At least you have a choice. Whereas if I didn't show you the video and you'd never seen the video, you've got no idea what you're missing. There you go. Was it a good clickbait video? Was it a good, I don't know. You decide. But there you go. I thought I would share that bit of information with you. Click above my head for more clickbaits like this. Look down in the description for even more. And guess what? Just to surprise you, just to annoy you a tiny bit more, here's 2 more clickbait videos. These are the ones you'll see down here. I'm going to put my worst clickbait videos in the history of the world. Check them out. Or not. The choice is yours. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. I'm going to put that out later. Speaking of institutions, I actually went to Cambridge. Just saying, shameless boasting, typical of me. Oh, yes, look at me. I didn't go to Cambridge. I didn't go to Oxford either. I went to King Edward VI Comprehensive School. That's where I went, mate. Lovely to have you here. I mean, 80% of crypto investors are buying Bitcoin, trying to escape the rat race. So stupid money is everywhere. Yes, it is. MSK, very nice. By the time I get my money back on eBit, Space will already have 2 flights and stock will be at $100. Get in, Rallo1. I like it. Richard Branson loves Virgin. Go Space. I love it. I'm beating the market. 0.04. CNBC calling me up. I love it. They need your strategy, Niels. They do. AKT investors have a bad day. Randy, Neil says, iShares Neil's Trust launching tomorrow. As long as you leave my XRP and SHIB alone, Martyn Lucas Investor, yeah, you can say Tilray's rubbish, but don't start on my XRP. Don't mention my XRP. There'll be L up if you do. Don't start on that. Don't buy the dip. There is no dip. Dip-de-doo-dah. That's a good one. I like it. Oh, hang on a minute. Oh, this is funny. Can I do this as well? It's not going to make me a video, but I'll share this with you. Every single day I wake up, I get an email. I get an email every day, hundreds of these, from people telling me that my SEO is rubbish and they can make me famous on YouTube. They can get me more views than I've ever had before. If only I could fix my SEO, search engine optimization. If only I could fix that, I'd be the biggest thing on YouTube. Unfortunately, I've never been able to fix it. I'm not that smart. And they'll take a picture of one of my videos and they'll point to all these like low metrics. They'll go, look, nobody, no likes. Somewhere there is. No likes, no subscribers. You're only getting 5 views. Just want to show you this. This is my optimization, my SEO. 100 out of 100. Can't get better than that. 100 out of 100. Incredible. 96.1%. My engagement rate, this is where I get all my numbers from. 98% of live viewers are members. 96.1 likes. Incredible engagement. Absolutely blowing it. 100% engagement. But every morning, I wake up to a barrage of emails from people, very often in India, saying, I can make you famous. Well, hang on. If you can make me famous, the first thing you want to do is make yourself famous. Make yourself famous with your own YouTube channel, and then you'll be so busy doing that, you won't want to bother with me. Oh, man. Randy B. Aha, Martyn, you are VIP guest. You don't need an invitation. There you go. Sensei, you've got to wait for one. I just got one by default. Do you think we will get a bump after hours? It's Thursday. Virgin Galactic very often does. Could well happen because people want to buy back in when they think no one's looking. After hours, oh, those pesky retail investors, they can't buy in the after hours. We're going to make sure that we get them. FFIE, Save, my day today, even I'm losing money on the 6,000 shares, says George Otterty. Always a freebie somewhere, mate. Always. It's not what you know, mate. It's who you know. Hold the bag. Here he is, Valentine C. Hold the bag. You've done a review on REE about a month ago, 425, and today it's 580. Aha. Okay. I've done a review on REE, and today, and about a month ago at 425, and now today it's 580. Well, you know why it's gone up, don't you? Because I did a review on it. Everybody loved it. Everybody bought it. That's what it's all about, mate. Bought 90 more shares of Space, 212. I now have 1,290. More than I originally planned, says Randy B. Can you please upgrade me in Discord? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Grippy, is this you in Discord? Grippy, because someone could pretend to be you. Grippy, is this you in Discord? Just go in YouTube. Yes, that is me. And then I will upgrade you when I know it's you. All right? When I know it's you, I will do it. I will give you it. Yes, is it me? Yes, it's me. Right. You are now a YouTube member. Boom. Get in. Grippy, same name. Add as friend. You've got 1 minute to accept it. 1 minute or it explodes. Literally, I just delete it. It doesn't actually explode. So don't write into YouTube and go, Martyn Lucas is sending invitations that actually explode. There's no exploding invitations. Some people might get confused. They might think there is. All right. So just go there and click on remove friend. He's done it. Bloody hell, that was quick. Flipping heck, that was quick. Look, Mike has even said hello. You know you're somebody now when you're getting invitations like that, when you're getting welcomes. So over here, every morning, breakfast bar, stock news, crypto news, every day, come in here. Don't just be a member of Discord and sit around doing nothing. I've made you a member now to do stuff. All Discord members do stuff. Come in here and say, don't just be a member and then just lurk. All right, I don't like the lurkers. Breakfast bar, look at this. Rallo 1, a perfect match. The wing for the first Lilium jet being produced at our production facility. Look at this. The Lilium jet. I'm loving it. Look at that. There's the Lilium jet. We'll look at more of that later on. Okay, can you please have done that? I bought so many bad stocks at opening just because they were dropped. That's a very bad idea. Don't ever do that. Don't ever do that. I'm going to sell them before the stock market closes. I'm going to have a nice profit as they all rose again. Well, I'm glad, but don't go around buying rubbish just because it's cheap. Would you buy a broken can of biscuits? No, just because they're cheap. Of course you wouldn't. It should be against the law. What's that? My thumbnails? Bad day for kids to be listening. Ha, you broke record with that naked woman. You should try. Should I do it? Should I do Virgin Galactic, the next video with a naked lady? What's everybody think? Should my next, he's landed? How the hell's he landed? Sensei got on a plane and landed during my show. Has he got a private jet or something? Is he getting richer by the minute? Sensei just say he's just landed. That's flipping ridiculous. He got on the plane as we were started the show. He's already landed. That's ridiculous. He's on a private jet. This guy, I think Sensei's like bloody, I think he's Satoshi Nakamoto. He is, isn't he? He's he's got all this money and he pretends. Anyway, it can't be clickbait if there's a question mark. It can't be clickbait. So put a question mark after everything. Is that what you're saying to me, Jose? Are you saying picture of a naked lady, question mark, that's okay? What if the name of the film or the book or the news is question mark? Then what if the question mark is the question? Then what are you going to do? Eh? Mark, laying on the beach as a woman wouldn't be just bad. I have to remove my eyes with a spoon after seeing it. A Night in Paris, brought to you by Virgin Galactic, Space to the Moon. There it is. It was clickbait as false statements. Clickbait are false statements. Clickbait are false statements. Yes, there's no false statement here, is there? How is there? There's not a false statement here, is there? There's not a false statement here, is there? All over. It's the name of my film, the name of my book, Lord of the Rings. Does Lord of the Rings mean the Lord of a ring? What is a ring? We can interpret that in millions of ways. Lord of the Rings. Call it what you like. It's your film. It's your book. All over. Question mark. Clickbait is false statements. Mark Saxby. Mike's loving it. Yes, it's me. There we go. We've done it. Tokak Charles. Tokak Charles, you've got my next reviews. We've got the NEP, BA, and Run. Tokak Charles. Any thoughts on BYD? Munger loved it as it's overtaken Tesla, but it's so cheap. Alpha Spread thinks the base case undervalued by 60%. I will. I think have you got BYD on your list? No, you haven't. I haven't reviewed BYD. I probably should at some point. Is BYD on my list? I don't think so. I don't think BYD is on the list. But anyway. Hi, Daniel. Hi, all. It was a bit of a gamble, but I don't care. As long as I make money, it's fine. Okay, landed. Here he is. He's come on a Lilium jet. That was fast, Sensei. It was. Everyone's crypto jet. Yeah, everyone's thinking, what's he on about? He took a Lilium jet. He was on the test flight for Lilium. There we go. Yes, Brett, that's ridiculous. I got to be honest, that's flipping ridiculous. No one has ever flown back from Paris in that's ridiculous. Not even half an hour from taking off to landing. I mean, what the hell's he on? Bloody Concorde, private jet. I mean, what is going on? Anyway, 10 minutes to go. Palantir, gold, the S&P. Let me look at other parts of my portfolio that make me feel better. So I'm still down. All right. My Roth, oh gosh, it's going down again. Bloody hell. Right into the bell. It's selling off again. Okay, what's going down this time? Let's have a look. What's going on? Lilium. Let's have a look. FFIE. Oh, making money today. Look, FFIE's up. Plug. Rocket Lab. That's making its way up. It must be Tesla. Is it? Yeah, Tesla. Buy a bit more Tesla. It's not cheap enough to buy it. It really isn't. Kenview. Hello, everyone. There he is. Lloyd G Entertainment. I like that name. Might be bad news. Well, yeah. And when a stock gets this cheap, it's just crazy. Emergency landing because they lost the door. So he's basically landed back in Paris. That's what's happened. That's how he's landed so bloody quick. He took off in Paris and landed back in Paris about 5 minutes later. Anyway, maybe he was just home all the time with a photo of Paris in the background. It looked pretty real to me. I got to be honest. Did you all miss it? Did you all see the video? Hang on, look at this. I got stick for this as well. This is my life, just getting stick all the time. I got stick for this. The name of the video was called BTC in Paris. It's just a front cover, folks. It's just a film title. BTC in Paris. Hang on a minute. Martyn Lucas is saying that Bitcoin is in Paris. Literally. Bitcoin is in Paris. I'm a troll. I'm sitting there going, how do I turn this into something bad? Bitcoin. Martyn Lucas said, Bitcoin in Paris. Okay, what does he mean? What is he saying? I could watch the video, but I'm not going to watch the video. I'm not going to be forced to do it. I'm not doing it. So what does it mean? Bitcoin in Paris. I've got to be able to say something bad about it. So Bitcoin in Paris. Is he saying there's Bitcoin in Paris? Damn it, there's Bitcoin. There is Bitcoin in Paris. He's right. There's Bitcoin in Paris. There's people in Paris with Bitcoin. He doesn't mean that. Bitcoin in Paris. Does he mean there's a man called Bitcoin who's in Paris? No. Just in case, there might be a man called Bitcoin. I can't call him out on that. There might be a man called Bitcoin. Bitcoin in Paris. Bitcoin in Paris. What can it be? I could just watch it and find out. No, I can't watch it. It's clickbait. Bitcoin in Paris. Bitcoin in Paris. What actually was it? It was exactly this. It was Bitcoin in Paris. It was Sensei Crypto. That's what it was. There it is. Oh, look at that. You're just showing off now. Look at that. Sensei, let me tell you, I have been to the top of that. Have you been to the top of it yet?
No, that's what tourists do.
I played that to Leah. She went, well, what the bloody hell is he doing there? He's not a Parisian. He's not French, is he? He's a tourist himself going there next to the Eiffel Tower. Bitcoin this is very cool. What's going? And then what did we do on the Bitcoin in Paris video? We talked about Bitcoin in Paris. We were talking about Bitcoin in Paris. That's what we were doing. Anyway, I'm loving this. I love the trolls. You gotta feed the trolls now and again. They get hungry. You know what I mean? Let's have a look. Have you? I've missed something here. Not really worried though. I've missed some questions here. How do I get to the bottom? Maybe it's because NEE. What's tanking me? Yes, there we go. NEE. Ah, yes, me too. That's what's bringing me down. That's what's bringing me down. Yeah. Thank you for that, Randy B. Not really worried though. No, nor me. Randy B. NEE been tanking me for months. Toka Charles. Not me, mate. I bought it and rose it up. So I'm happy. I come from a land down under. Oh yeah. Absolutely. By the way, we have picked the winner. For the fan of the year who wins the trophy. I'm making a video on it. So that's the way I'm going to announce it. So I haven't forgotten you, folks. I know who the winner is. I'm just going to make a video on it, all right? Have you taken Mitch NL off the list? Have you taken Mitch NL off the list? Why? Why would I do that? He's on the list for a reason. Why would I take him off? I'm not taking him off the list. Why is Mitch NL off the list? Why would I take him off the list? Has he been a naughty boy or what? What's going on there? I believe in it though, and I like the green side of it. Kramer is clickbait. Patrick G. FFIE, a Chinese building business in USA, and they are a playing game. Still my biggest loss now. Looking for LQR to meet in. I'm not sure what that means, Lloyd. Tokar Charles, I open my position with the company. Randy, which one? Have you been on the top or just the tourist top? Is there a difference? I don't know. I've been on the tourist top, I suppose. Being a tourist was a bad position, not such a bad company. I was down nearly 4,000 in October, but with the insight from Martyn, I've been able to make nearly my entire loss back, says Randy B. Very good indeed. He was in the top. I'm not sure what the top is anymore now. Right, hi, Mike. How you doing? Yes, sir. Hello there, everyone. Martyn, do you expect Tesla to rise or drop on the earnings on 24th? The review list. Why would I take him off the review? Why would I take Mitch and NL off the list? Why would I do that? Has he been bad or what? What's going on? Mitch and NL, you're taken off the list. No, if he's on the list, he's on the list. I don't take anybody off. I I don't see him on the list, but the list, it's like the blacklist, isn't it? It's like the blacklist. I think I may have, if he's not on the list, it means I've already done his request. Can't see him. Must have already done it. I can't remember. Hello, Martin, says Stephen Oller. Hello, Stephen Oller. How are you, mate? Right, listen, folks. Listen here. Have we got, I thought you were looking for him. No, don't think so. Who am I looking for now? I'm looking for Tim Rogers. Is Tim Rogers in the house? Tim Rogers, are you here? G. Corey, are you here? Is G. Corey here? I signed up for 600 for the next generation. Very nice indeed. Another person booking the next generation. Very nice indeed. G. Corey. Pat M. Pat M, are you here? R3A, are you here? And finally, Michelle, are you here? No. All right. And now for 750, they are inviting us to the next flight. Very nice indeed. Making money. Good. Pay for it. Get down there. Get down there. Get yourself ready so we can all make some money. Because if you all go, the company makes more money. We all make more money. The share price goes up. I like it. Subscribers, right. Customization, redirect, Abvi. We got another review coming out now. 3 minutes to the bell to end this horrible trading day. I know, Rallo won. It's been a terrible day. Will you go? Don't you worry. I'll be there. Don't you worry, Stephen Oller. I was talking to Eric yesterday, customer relations manager, investor relations manager. Did you see the video? All right, don't you worry. I've got a direct line with Virgin Galactic. I'm going to be going to these things. Don't you worry about that. They're not going to leave me out anymore. Martin, what does the crystal ball say for tomorrow? I'm not getting it out yet, ETORO. We're running out of time. Oh, well, I thought you were looking for Michelle. Oh, yes, I was looking for Michelle. I think I told someone else about his review. That's right. I'm looking for Michelle. She had Disney, and I'm trying to find her. She asked me to do a review, buggered off, never came back. I mean, what's the point of that? Yeah, anyway. Here we go. 1 minute before the bell goes. Are you ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And guess what happens in a minute? Guess what happens in a minute? We've got a world premiere, live Q&A. Keep the conversation going. It's Abvi analysis. You're going to like this one. You've got to join me. Now, even if you don't like it and you think it's clickbait because you think it's an Abvi alien sat on an A and that's confusing to you, even if that's what you think, watch anyway because I earn 1 cent per person, so watch it. That's the first thing. Most importantly, I earn 1 cent per person, which is about what I earn per person to watch it. But most importantly, keep the conversation going. That's what it's really about. All right, that's what it's really about. Here we go, Virgin Galactic in the after hours. Let's get ready to ring the bell. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell has gone. You can sponsor the bell if you want. Have your name on it and name under the video for $20 super chat. For a moment then, we had a bounce, but it's gone back down again. It's like a bloody joke, isn't it? Up we go. No, we're not. You think you're going to get rich? No, you're not. Virgin Galactic. It's flat on the after hours. Look forward to meeting you there. You'll see me there. I don't know if I'm going to be there this time, but don't you worry about it. I'll be there at some point. Can I put Hasbro on the review list, Martin? Thanks, Jason Fallon. You can. Hasbro. Lovely. Bit of play stuff. Yes, Hasbro. Hasbro. And that is Jason Fallon. Yes, Jason Fallon. It's on the list. Space is following the market up or down. It used to go down regardless. At least now it moves. I am really pleased you have seen that. Stephen Oller. I'm very proud of you, Steve. I'm really proud of you, Stephen Oller, because that's exactly what my film was about yesterday. And yes, it is a film. Yes, it is a film. It's not a movie. It's a film, right? It's a full-on film, okay? Yesterday, I put out a film, epic blockbuster, okay? Full analysis. Did you watch this? Did I show you how it now tracks the S&P, or at least it's starting to? Have you seen that? That is a very, very good sign, okay? It's now stabilized. It's a real business. And yes, it follows the S&P a little bit. Not identically, of course. But yes, go and check that full analysis out. It's on the homepage of the channel. But I'm glad you noticed that, because that was one of the points that I wanted to share in the film. And it is a film. Hi, Niels. Hi. We're talking Dutch now. Hello. This was the worst day in quite a while. Tio roll. The bell from Bill. The bells. Talk Charles. Roll for damn sure. The worst day in a while. The market beat me by 0.3. Day ruined. Ramen. Huh. Best YouTube channel in the world.
Mike 166A has become a member. Best YouTube live TV channel in the world.
Mike is now a member for 2 years. He has got a red badge. Can you see it? He's got a red badge. He's a legend. He's a legend now. It's official. It's like on some sort of book or something. It's in some sort of document. Did he talk about Lilium? Did he talk about Lilium? Did I mention Lilium today? I've got a review just out. If you go into my alpha spread, there is a Lilium review. Yep, there is a Lilium review just been done. If you want to go and check that out, there is my Lilium review. 6 days ago, you can see my review. It's on the homepage of the channel, and you can see what I really think. Oh yeah, what he really thinks. Not what he says on YouTube films, what he really thinks. Okay. Today is tomorrow. Today is the tomorrow you're worried about yesterday. That's right. Yes, sir. Wow, I'm loving it. Right. Okay, now then. We're here tomorrow. We're not here Saturday and Sunday, obviously, and we're not here Monday. It's a bank holiday in the United States. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the time over the long weekend. How long have I been a member? George, if you look in your super chats, you will see. You will see. It gives you a free super chat. Here's to you, mate. I just got a super chat from Mike. He's going to buy me a cup of coffee. After the show tonight, I will take that $2 and I will go to Starbucks and I'll buy Leah a cup of coffee. How about that? Does anybody want to buy me a cake to go with a coffee? Brilliant. Right.
Here's to you, mate.
Thanks, mate. I'm just waiting for another $2 super chat so I can get a cup of coffee, a biscuit, or maybe a cake to go with Leah's coffee. Because at the moment, Leah's got a cup of coffee. I've got nothing. BTC in Paris. Love it. Thank you very much. There you go. See, people? Some people appreciate the creativity of it all. Sensei says, I love it. I love it. You see? Clickbait in its finest, right? BTC in Paris. What does it mean? What do you mean, BTC in Paris? What's going on? Is there a man called BTC living in Paris? Has Bitcoin moved to Paris? Satoshi Nakamoto is a French man selling onions. What's going on? Sensei gets the humor. He realizes this is all right. I'm okay with this. I'm fine. I'm fine with the front cover of this book. With the front cover of this film. I'm okay with it. Niels, I was trying to be respectful towards Mike's $2 tip. Niels, hang on a minute. Niels, just between me and you. This is just me and Niels now. Everybody else. Mike, can you put your fingers in your ears? Mike, Niels, I know. It's only $2. I know. But the thing is, you've got to remember, Mike's getting on. He's one of the oldest people on our show. And when he was a lad, $2 bought you a house. So things have moved on, but he doesn't realize that. He doesn't realize that, right? So when he gives you $2, he thinks he thinks it's a lot. He thinks, and that's important for him to think that, right? It's important.
Jorge Otita has become a member. Are we still doing the music on Friday?
Yes, of course we are. Bloody hell. Why would we not be doing the music on Friday? George Otterty, when do we ever miss the music on the Friday? Had to outperform Mike for the cake.
Had to outperform Mike. Lol. For the cake.
Yeah, we got cake. Now we got cake and coffee. Hang on. I just want to, again, all right, this is the cake and coffee. I've got nothing. This is for Leah. Leah has a cake and a coffee. I ain't got anything. Right? This is just Leah, okay? Just so we understand where we're coming from. Anyway, my finger came out of my ears. I heard everything. Did you hear it? Oh, damn it. You're not supposed to hear that. You got to remember, when Mike started super chatting back in the 1860s, $2 was a heck of a lot of money. He just hasn't, he hasn't evolved, right? He's still on $2. I want the music now. I've recorded a great, in fact, have I got time? Okay. We've got the premiere in a second, right? Virgin Galactic. I've got something for you here, right? Virgin Galactic. You ready? End song. Clickbait 30. Okay. Here's the world premiere. We're going to be there in about 5 minutes, right? I want everyone to join me for the live Q&A, the conversation, the family. Keep it all together. Clickbait. And SPCE song. Right, ready? Okay, here we go. Virgin Galactic. What a day. We're in, we're out, we're up, we're down. We've got all sorts of stuff going on. Well, guess what? This weekend, it's a long weekend. There's no market Saturday, Sunday, but there's also no market on Monday. So tomorrow being Friday, because today is a Thursday, are you still with me? Could be quite an eventful weekend because there's no market on Monday. So tomorrow we could have a bit of a sell-off again. It could be more pain to come for those in Virgin Galactic. But don't fear. Uncle Martin is here. I've got a little surprise for you. Because it's a long weekend and we're all stressed about Virgin Galactic, first of all, tomorrow night, Friday night, click above my head, down here, we've got the Virgin Galactic party after the closing bell. But something even better than that, something even better than live music. What could be better than that? Something even better on Sunday, Saturday and Sunday, I've got a special premiere coming out that I've done on my music channel just for you. It's a bit of U2. Do you like a bit of U2? But I've gone full hog. I've made a full-on pop video. You're going to like it. I've got dancing girls. I've got people swimming around in swimming pools. This is not clickbait. This is real. I really have it. I've really done it for you. It's a way for you to chill out over the weekend before Tuesday, because we're not here Monday, for you to enjoy a bit of music with a few dancing girls in the swimming pool, everything. You're going to like it. There's one woman, she's walking down the street as well. Walking down, you'll love it. Trust me, you'll love it. So click above my head, down here. I'll put both of the videos here. All right? There'll be one here and one here. Go and enjoy that, and I'll see you back on Tuesday. Have a relaxing evening and enjoy a bit of culture with U2 and a bit of underwater swimming around and walking down the road. Check it out. I think you'll enjoy it. Bye-bye for now. All right, that'll come out. That'll come out later on. Okay. Can you sing the market easy, ETORO? I can do that. I can do that dead easy. Lilium, straight back up again. Hey! Lilium, straight back up. No surprise there, really. There you go. Can you sing? Yes. I'll be doing some tips, George Otterty. Oh, I look forward to that then. I might be able to get a cake to go with my coffee that Leah's already got, thanks to Mike living in the 1600s. Have no fear. Hear no fear. Martyn Lucas Investor. Let him call in. Let who call in? Who wants to call in? Who wants to call in? The phone lines are always open. Any of the members can always call in. Listen, folks, we're out of time. I know you want to talk all night long, but I've got a life to lead. I can't just sit here talking to you. I've got to like talk to myself, just like go over to the other part of the studio and just talk to myself. So I've got to end this so I can do that right now. So I'm going to go now because, it's just the way it is. But we're all going to go here. We're going to keep the conversation going. G. Corey, thank God for this. G. Corey's just turned up. I've been calling your name out for flipping ages. Oh my God, G. Corey. G. Corey's here. We're just out of time. Just out of time. I've got to play the music. G. Corey, are you still here? Tell me you're still here. G. Corey. G. Corey, are you here? G. Corey, are you still here? G. Corey, tell me you're still here. Because you wanted Petrobus. Petrobus, I made you a premiere. Let me have a look at it. Oh, my God, I've been looking for him for ages. There it is. G. Corey, here is your video. Oh, I can finally take him off the list. It's been driving me up the bloody wall. There we go. Petrobus, PBR. Let me give the link. Share. Boom. Copy. Hang on. I've broken it now. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Share. Copy. Yes, I'm here. I've been calling out for you for every single day. There is your video. All right? There is your video. I made it for you. It's done. It's amazing. It's the best movie you've ever seen. Go and check it out. Share it, like it, watch it 15 times. If you do, I earn 15 cents. Watch it once, I earn 1 cent. So I prefer if you watch it more than once. All right? Okay. Got it? Happy? Right. I can take him off the bloody list. Oh, I'm so glad about that. G. Corey, PBR, Petrobus. Is Tim Rogers here? We're about to end the show. Let me play the music. Let's get out of here. Time to go.
The year is 1991.
It is.
Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect
The
harmony.
bag of holding.
Until one day, a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
That's me. Bloody Phoenix, all right. We're all going here. Yep, it is. Basically. That's exactly what it is. All right, here we go. You've got to watch it. You're gonna go. Is it really? Oh yeah. It's porn with. Hey, thank you a lot. I really appreciate it. Boom! Get in there. It is. I tell you what you want to do, G. Corey, as you're in such a flush mood tonight, making so much money. This is what you want to do, G. Corey. What you want to do is when you watch the video, do a super thanks underneath it. Because if you do a super thanks like this, YouTube will share it out because basically you're promoting it because like it so much. They make a little commission on the tip. So make sure that you go and do a super thanks under the video. All right, make sure you watch it all the way through though. Don't just watch a bit of it. Right, here we go. We're about to go. Who's up or down today? I'm down today. Big down. Day trader of the day. Let's do it. Are you up? Are you down today? Thank you. I really appreciate it. The music's too loud. That's Sensei's fault. Right. Who's up? Who's down? Join me for the premiere. Buy Dawn's pots. I would love one of Dawn's pots. Dawn, send me a pot. All right. Here we go. 2 minutes to go. Okay, here we go. Time to get out of here. Thank you very much. Roll the credits. I've noticed not everyone's liked the video. All right. 142 to go. 114. Up 1.15. An amazing 3.4 down. I'm loving it. Never has anyone been so happy to be down. George Otter T is the winner. No, I've done it again. I pressed the wrong button again. Damn it. That really annoys me. That really annoys me when I do that. I can't tell you. You spoil the whole show's spoiled. The whole show is spoiled. There's no big finish. There's no big ending. It was supposed to fade out the music, the crescendo. It's beautiful. It's passionate. And I pressed the wrong button. So basically, because of that, it ends on a very somber note. And there's nothing I can do about it. That's the way it is. So ladies and gentlemen, please join me tonight for the world premiere. Come into the live chat and join me. See you back later for a wonderful premiere. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. There ain't nothing I can do about it.